Hey guys, it's Sarah. Today I'm going to teach you how to use the Chalk Couture font set so you can make custom signs. All right, so what you're going to do is you are going to just lay your letter down one at a time. Now, what I want you to pay particular attention to is you can see these half circles that are on the top and the bottom of this R. What that is, these are registration marks. Now they are half circles and they're each facing an opposite direction. You're going to have a registration mark on each and every letter in all of our font sets. What you do is you are going to chalk the whole thing. So you're going to chalk the circles at the top, chalk the circles at the bottom, and then your letter. And what you're going to do is complete a circle. So what you'll see when I peel this off, you'll see there, see right between the R and the Y, you can see a completed circle there. Watch how I do it when I use this A, you'll see the circles start to come together. And when you're lining up your transfers, this makes it easy. So all you're going to do is connect your circle. You're going to look underneath your transfer when you're laying it down. You'll see when I'm putting them together, I'm kind of like paying special attention to those bottoms. That's how we're lining it up. Can you see that circle there right under that A? See how cool that is? That makes sure that our letters are not only straight across, right? We don't have letters going up and going down like you typically do when you're writing something, but our letters are absolutely straight across and they're evenly spaced. This is particularly important when you're working with scripts and fonts that really have letters that could possibly overlap or even connect to each other. So that's what I've done here on this one. And I'm gonna do another one in a minute right after we do the cool "you got this" portion. And it'll give you another chance to see how the letters come together. So all I'm doing is I'm doing this cool "you got this." This is gonna be a custom board for my kids. And so I'm gonna put like their spelling words for the week and any school announcements. And so it's gonna be right inside of my mud room where my kids put their backpacks and they, make sure we have everything for school. Now that my kids are in two separate schools, I need two separate chalkboards because we have middle school events and elementary school events. So again, you can see I'm just doing the letters one at a time. I'm paying special attention to lining up those registration marks. So the circles, again, on the top and on the bottom, you're going to chalk those and you'll see how the circles connect. Sometimes they may not be absolutely perfect, but they're pretty darn close. And so if you notice I'm just slightly off, you're just shooting for pretty close. Sometimes there's nothing better than getting that perfect circle at the end and you're like, but sometimes they're not quite on track, but you can still see the word still looks good. It still looks great. I love these fonts for personalizing names on things. It's really quick and easy and adds, that custom feel. And so again, on this one, I'm going to wipe off the circles at the end and then add the cute "you got this." I picked my kids' favorite color so that I could have this personal to them. I love the "you got this." It's a great reminder when they're going out the door for school in the morning. And I hope you guys like it too. So you're going to see the finished product here in just a moment. You'll see how cute this is. I have Ryan, "you got this." And then my son Alex's board. This is my middle schooler reminding him, "you've got this." And then you can see how it looks all pulled together in my mudroom for the kids. Thanks so much for watching.